Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. So it's a simplistic circular variation of You Are My Sunshine, which in this script you start reading at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So the bottom of our sentence is here, and our first word of that sentence is this one, continuing to this one, and then last but not least this big word here, which is the word sunshine. So as far as reading the letters on the words, it follows that same rule of thumb. So starting at the bottom, going counterclockwise, this is the first letter circle we hit, and it is on the line of our word circle. So if we look at our blue word circle line here, this letter stem is on that line. So that means our letter's somewhere in this row, and that has two dots. So this circle with 2 dots is a Y, which is also shown here in this unraveled version of the script. So 2 dots on the Y, and then we have an O, which is attached to the Y like a bead on a string, so that's where O's go. Vowels are these little guys, which you can see in the design here. And then we have a U, which is another vowel, and a U has a line going outwards. So like that there, and it goes away from the middle of the word circle. So this is the center of the word circle, and that U line goes away from that. So that's the word U. Then we have our next word here, starting at the bottom. We have an A, because it's outside the word circle. Then we have this shallow divot, like a bite taken out of a cookie, and there's 1, 2, 3 dots closer to that letter stem. Even though these 2 dots are still in a row, these 2 dots are on this stem, this letter, and those are actually the 2 dots of the Y in my. And then we have and still the word R-A-R-E. Here's the E on the line of the word circle, this red one here. And this font shows that some can be attached or detached. Come on, caps lock. So that would be an E by itself, A-R-E by itself, as opposed to an A-R-E in the middle of the A, in the middle of the R. Anyway, I'm not going to get super into that letter stacking stuff, which is all noted here. And our next word here is the word my. Starting at the bottom, we have our first letter, which has 1, 2, 3 lines coming off of a completed circle inside our word circle. So that would be an M. So that's shown here. And then that Y we talked about earlier. And then sunshine. So sunshine is a bigger word. And in this design, I spiraled it inwards. So we have bottom here. Here's the S. Here's the U. And here's the N, and then there's nothing else on that outer word circle until we get to shine. And I like to do this trick with compound words. So reading order is bottom counterclockwise and can spiral inwards. So we have S-U-N, and then we continue around S-H-I-N-E. So S has 1, 2, 3 lines. That guy's pretty sneaky there. And then the U, again, line going outwards, and the N has this 1 line ending on it. And then we have this S here with 1, 2, 3 lines, and then this H is a deep divot with 1, 2 dots, and this shows an SH together, so that would be an S, and then that would be an H by itself. I has a line going inwards, here's the N with 1 line on it, and then the E. So that would be the You Are My Sunshine done in this style. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.